Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Robert de Bok. I work for Adfinis, and today we're going to show you how to make a Kubernetes cluster with Ranger. Previous videos we've set up Ranger, so we've started it, we connected to a cloud provider and created node templates, and now we're ready to make a cluster. Let's have a look at the web interface. Here it is, and there's a section called clusters, and this is the locally installed cluster. It's actually one machine, so we're not going to use that. I'll make a new one. On DigitalOcean, that's what we prepared the cloud provider for. We'll give it some name, Ranger. Let's do a couple of machines. And let's run the control plane and etcd here. Should give it a name. We'll call this Adfinis. About it. And create. Now this will take a while. What it does in the background is connect to DigitalOcean or any other cloud provider or vSphere and spin up machines. Log into those machines and run all the required commands to connect it to this Kubernetes cluster. I think it takes 5 or 10 minutes, so let's click a bit. Yeah, it's not started yet. As it's not started, there's not many options to pick here. Global dashboard. You can see the number of nodes, and you see that the machines have been started and it's doing things on these machines. Don't worry, what it's doing, that Ranger is for that. That's the reason Ranger is there. Nou, dat kan even anders. So here's that cluster, that Adfinis cluster we created. There's nothing to do yet because it's spinning up. It's not done yet, so there's not a lot of things we can do yet. But you can see the nodes, and they're starting up. So don't worry, there's some errors now. It will fix by itself. Give it some 5 or 10 minutes or so, and then it should be ready to start. See you in a couple of minutes. Nou, zal ik die... Ik zet hem even op pauze, kan het ook? Pauze, ja. Even kijken. So it's been 5 or 10 minutes or so. All machines are up and running, and they've registered themselves, so they're visible in green. So now if I go to the overview, it's working, as you can see. So we have a Kubernetes cluster running on DigitalOcean, 3 nodes, and you get to see some metrics here. There's nothing really running in it except Ranger itself. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to set up a Kubernetes cluster. Next time we'll show you how to resize it and how to destroy it. Hope to see you next time.
Hope to see you next time. Hope.